To access the reporting section within FunctionFox, all you need to do is scroll down the left-hand navigation bar, select Reports, and now you can see we have a plethora of different reports to choose from. Now we could get lost talking about them for hours if we wanted to, but I'm going to show you a couple select reports here. So we'll look at the client report. And just to let you know that all of our reports, you can customize the date parameters and you can include and exclude many different things. It's just depending on what report you do choose. So we're going to be looking at all of the work we carried out for all of our clients last month. So we'll produce this report, and this gives us a breakdown of all the clients that we worked for and their projects. So you can see for Acme Corporation, we were working on 3 different projects. You can see the status, you can see the project type, you can see the amount of hours, and then the amount of billable fees here. So you can see for Acme Corporation, there was a total of 115.5 hours worked, resulting in $9,637.50 worth of billable fees. Now this does this for all of our clients that we currently have. And so you can see down at the bottom, we worked a total of 475 hours, resulting in $27,610. And so this is just a handy report to see at a quick glance what you were working for a certain date parameter for your clients. And just to let you know that our logo can be interchanged with the company logo under your account preferences in the settings section here. And that all of our reports can be exported to Excel, so you can access it from Excel on your computer as well. Now I'm going to show you the project report here. So this gets more into the nitty-gritty detail of one specific project for a client here. We're going to be looking at a brochure for Acme Corporation, and I'll produce this report. And this gives us the details of that specific project, and then it breaks it down by a task report here. So you can see all the hours worked for account management on this project. You can see who carried it out. You can see the description of what they were doing for their time and the date that they carried it out as well. So you can see for account management there was 7.5 hours worked, resulting in $712.50. And this does this for all of the tasks all the way down this report here. So you can see down at the bottom there's a total of 67 billable hours worked, resulting in $6,075. Now remember when I was talking about non-billable tasks in the task section of the tutorial videos? If you do classify a task as $0 an hour, it automatically becomes non-billable and gets moved into the non-billable section when you do track time. So you'll see right here under the non-billable section, Johnny Fox was doing some computer setup, Emma was doing some phone calls, emails, and file organization. So there's another 6.5 hours tacked onto this project that is non-billable. So we still have the same billable amount of $6,075, but we've actually worked 73.5 hours in total for this project. And then in the last section of this report are the project costs. So when you add project costs into the system and you pull a report, these project costs will be carried across to the report and show you, okay, there's actually been another $502.75 tacked on to this project for the project cost that we are charging our client. So in the end, we are charging them $6,577.75. Now the last report I'm going to show you is the status report here. So when we go to the status report, we are going to produce a report of all time. So we're going to look at all the projects that we are working on that we're currently working on for our company. And when we click produce report, we'll be given a list of all the projects, as I said before, and you can see the details of the client, you can see what the project is, you can see who the project manager is, and then we have start date and due date, and then the status is here. Now down at the bottom of this report, this groups all of our projects into its like category of statuses. So you can see we have a total number of 4 projects in the design status. We have 1 on hold, 6 that are open, 1 that's ready to go for proposal, and then 1 that's ready to bill, totaling a total of 13 projects altogether. So the status report just helps you at a quick glance see all the projects that you currently have for the specific date range and then where they're at for their specific status. And that concludes the reporting section of FunctionFox. Thank you.